Absolutely. You never want to jump right to the advanced one. I'm going to give you both in the causal inference and in the machine learning framework. So many of the case study questions are causal inference, like what's the impact of? So to me, the sort of basic way to start that is thinking about an experimentation. Then there's usually going to be something wrong, like there's going to be some bias, some reason why you can't do an experiment. And then you want to talk about that, and then it'll probably get a little bit more complex. A take home challenge, from what I've seen, often has a machine learning component. And there it's the same idea. You should generally start with something like a linear model, ordinary least squares, or prediction using like logistic regression. From there, you would try more complicated models, so XGBoost, random forest, maybe even like a deep learning type thing, a neural net. Now, presumably, these more complicated models will be more accurate by some. If not, then it's a no brainer to use a simple one. But let's assume that these more complicated models are at least a little bit. At this point, you should talk about the trade off between interpretability and performance, and then work through which one you would go with. Like, is the improvement in performance by whatever metric you're looking at worth the loss of interpretability?